Hello everybody, my name is Caleb Sosa Lopez and I am from Intermediate 2. I will go to speak about Chichén Itzá. First, I will go to say where it is, and later I will go to speak about why, how and how is the place. We know that in the world we have 7 wonders, and Chichén Itzá is one of that. Chichén Itzá is in Yucatan near the town of Piste, and we can ask why Chichén Itzá. First, I think that it's wonderful because it's a whole city where live the Mayans, and it has a lot of history about they and the archaeology. We can find a lot of that, and it's close of Owi because we live in the same state that is Yucatan. And the last point is that we can help people who make their living from tourism. Chichén Itzá is a good place, a beautiful, very beautiful. We can get to know about the culture. We can see cenotes, and the landscape is nice. And how I say, we can see a lot of archaeology. The history. In ancient times, the Mayas built this city around the years 435 and 455. This city had its greatest apogee in the year 987, when it became the most powerful political center in that part of Yucatan. And the last, in ancient times, the Mayans sacrificed beautiful women to ask their gods for water or good harvest. Thank you for your time.